Hey guys, welcome to Cranking Out Crafts. JFlo here. We are going to show you how to make a really fun pom-pom lei I'm using glitter tulle today, glitter tulle in 7 different colors, so I could make it like really rainbow. I think it's 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, 7 colors with a few supplies. So let's talk about the supplies that you will need to make these pom-poms. So again, 7 different glitter tulle, and each of these tulle, it's 30 feet, and I can make 3 pom-poms with 30 feet using the large size pom-pom maker, okay? So tulle, pom-pom maker, scissors. Then what I've got here is just crochet thread. I have gold, so it shows up on TV today, and that's what I had. And then finally, this is what is called Plarn. It's a plastic yarn, but why I like it is because it has not really elasticity, but when I tie the knot, and you'll see soon, it holds it really, really well, okay? So let's get started on how to make your pom-pom. So that's what most of your time will be spent on, is making the actual pom-pom. This right here is the pom-pom maker, and you can see here it has these little feet that I'm just lifting up. There's 2 sides to it, and then the other side also has 2 feet. This cool little contraption, don't be worried, it does come apart. It is designed that way. I'm going to snap it back together and pull in 2 of the feet, and then I'm going to start right here. We'll call this the little rainbow. I'm going to take my purple, and this has glitter. Boy, is this going to be fun. All right, we are going to start closest to the circle right here. Hold these 2 together, and it's okay if we have a little excess hanging off the edge, but I'm just going to wrap it around both these rainbows, and I'm actually going to push it down so it touches the left side closest to here, okay? And we're just going to keep wrapping. The great thing about the tulle versus yarn is it doesn't take as many wraps when you go around. The tulle is really wide, and so I am just kind of pushing it, yep, getting a nice good coverage all the way across that rainbow. Now we're going to take it and we're going to actually close it to this side, and then these 2 feet will come up. I haven't cut it or anything. I'm just going to continue wrapping around this rainbow now. Okay. Keep wrapping all the way to the end, okay? And then I can push these 2 together, all right? Now I'm just gonna give this a little snip. I do find that the smaller my scissors and the sharper they are, the better this works. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my scissors, and there's a little groove in between those 2 little feet there that I'm just going to snip. Now you might ask yourself, how does it all stay together? I don't know, but it does. This cool little contraption. And then I'm gonna continue cutting the next side all the way around. And your scissors will just follow along this little guideline. Okay, so now it looks like this. right here is just hanging off a little bit more. I'm just gonna kind of trim it. I don't have any other excess, okay? Now, let's get our Plarn. I'm gonna give it a generous amount so it's really easy for me to tie. Now, with the Plarn, I'm gonna go push it down inside where the scissors were before, and I'm just gonna push so it goes around, and then tie it as tight as I can. And when I tighten it, you'll see the tool will kind of shrink a little. See that? Just kind of went down a little bit, but that way I know I got it really tight in the middle and it's not gonna come undone. The reason I like the Plarn is because it kind of sticks to itself in there, and I don't have to worry about it becoming loose when I tie the extra knot to keep it really tight. Ta-da! Okay, now remember those little feet that we have right here? Let's pop those up. And then I'm going to do the little feet on the next side. Okay, it's open, it's messy. This is now where I can pull it apart. And I've got this wonky little pom-pom, but now it's time to fluff and just kind of open it up. Then the next thing, I'm gonna go in here and I will trim the little Plarn. Now you might want to find a Plarn that matches your pom-pom. I used white on camera so you could really see it and see the difference. Now some of the pieces look kind of crazy here, so I just need to give it a little haircut. I just kind of open it up. Ta-da! And then just kind of play around with it. Looks like I could give another little haircut here. Now I have this great pom-pom. Okay, now we're ready to build. Oh, let's go ahead and put this up. Snap the two together again in the center. Ta-da! Put that on the side. I've got all of my pom-poms ready to go. I'm gonna give this one a trim. I didn't trim it earlier. I tied it really tight so I could give it a good little trim. Okay. Now it's time to start lining up how I want all of this to go. I think I went purple, pink, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and then we'll start over again with the purple. Okay, so let's go ahead and start stringing this together. I've got my lei needle. And I'm just gonna go right in the middle. I know it's gonna be hard for you guys to see, but I'm actually going through the part see this right here? That's where my knot is. So I'm gonna go right in the middle of that. Okay, and I'm gonna do this for all of them. I'm gonna find the middle, I see it, right through. Oh, this is so fun. I think my niece is just going to love, love, love this Pom Pom Lei. I like it too because it's light. It's very light. It's not like super heavy where it's going to bog down on her all night. It'll be light enough where she can wear lots of lei. and it'll be comfortable. And again, I'm just looking for the center so I can go right through and it won't fall off. Oh, it got a little stuck. That happens sometimes. I've created a little knot here. All right, I'm stringing my last one on. This is a really nice size. Actually, I'm just gonna do maybe a couple more. I've got purple. This looks so good. Purple, pink. And then my last one, I'm gonna do, I think, red. And orange. All right, so now for the last little trick, we will take the two ends. I'm just gonna snip it here and then tie a knot. I'll make a bow and our lei is complete. Hope you enjoyed this. Pom Pom Tulle Lei.